Alright, this is my 94 F150 that I'm having problems with. It seems to crank and try to turn over, but it does not start. I sprayed a little bit of starter fluid in there to see if that would help. It doesn't do much for it at all. It doesn't even let it really kick over to turn on. I'm going to try to set my phone up here so if anybody watching can help and lend any idea what they think it might be or what the issue might be. Alright, set you here. There you go, and you might fall over when I try to crank it, but I'll pick you back up. And there is my issue. So if anybody has any help, please let me know. I don't know much. I know there's that little guy right over there that people say replace, but I have no idea. So if anybody could help, please give me a shout out.